Hi, if you are watching this clip, you know the challenge of creating and managing a blog. You spend countless hours researching topics, writing a great article, organizing and formatting it, going through the grueling process of optimizing and publishing, and then waiting for traffic, which always seems to be less than you want. This is not an easy task. It requires a lot of effort and commitment. But you know that traffic to your website is critical to the success of your business. If you manage your blog with a WordPress, you'll find that you spend a lot more time on it than you think. WordPress is a fantastic application that powers countless web and blog sites, but it's complex and cumbersome. It's inefficient, sluggish, and frustrating to use. When it comes to blogging, there is a better solution. Blogely is the tool that can help you to reclaim your time and make your work more enjoyable. With Blogely, you can conduct comprehensive topic research, organize all your digital assets, create compelling content, and optimize it for SEO success. Publish articles quickly with a single click without going into WordPress. Sync your existing blog site list. Import and optimize or re-optimize your content. Manage the entire blogging process in one place. Eliminate other unproductive, time-consuming activities and applications. Invite users and collaborate with your team to achieve better results. You will regain control of your entire blog site and finally catch your breath. Think of the time you will save. This feature-rich app gives you the tools to position your content against your competitors, to land at the top of the search results. You also have the ability to quickly revise, optimize, and improve your existing content, fix issues, and breathe new life into your previous work. Try out the latest feature, Blog List Sync, which gives you remarkable control over your existing content and makes updating and maintaining a pleasure. Or you can continue to toil for endless hours, sweating your tail off in the trenches. We think you'll prefer Blogly. It's the ultimate app for managing your digital content.